It was a bit of a money-saving object, a bit of an environmental type of idea as well. And having had them fitted, it's very clear that the benefits are very much in terms of offsetting electricity bills. We're in credit at the moment with our electric consumption, and being as we've only had them through the winter quarter, we've really been surprised at how much electricity we've been generating. The company worked well with us. They understood the challenges of working in a property that's got a covenant on it. They were very mindful of the wildlife here. So we've got bats here, and so they made sure that the panels were bat compliant. Yeah, very good company, really good, friendly, and sensibly priced.